Air Japan, calling San Francisco. Air Japan 181, primary 13300, secondary 6532.
Air Japan 181 clear to Narita via Kyoto to Chiba Japan transition as fired. Expect radio 360 after airborne heading 155. Departure velocity 1183. Scope 2701.
Air Japan 181 heavy flying to the Sydney, take 5 passengers, flight flight level 3010 minutes after departure. Rest of the report for accepted flight.
Air Japan 181 maintain 5000. 1 minute after departure, 1360. Honolulu ground, Air Japan 181 request pushback, port 10 information Alpha.
Air Japan 181 heavy, Honolulu ground, clear, B.
Air Japan 181 heavy, gate 10, gate 10.
Air Japan 181 heavy, pushback, tail east, onto Zulu, opening gate 9.
Air Japan 181 pushback, the tail east, Abim, Zulu, Abim, gate 9.
Please let us know if you need assistance and we hope you will join the flight with us. Ladies and gentlemen, please look outside your window when the aircraft approaches one. Thank you for visiting Hawaii with ANA. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now explain the safety features of this aircraft. Thank you. 皆様、ただいまから非常用設備をご案内いたします。
Branch Barrier 783 request taxi.
NR783 heavy, runway 8 right, taxi via Delta Alpha, full short of runway 8 left at runway Bravo.
Japan 783 taxi by Delta Alpha, and the force of 8 left at Romeo Bravo.
American 162 monitor tower.
Monitor American 162.
Japan Air 783 heavy, manufacturing instructions, Sierra Alpha, and full short 8 left.
Japan 783 amend take Sierra Alpha, force of 8 left at Romeo Bravo.
May we have your attention for the following safety instructions.
手荷物は座席の上の物入れまたは前の座席の下に収納してください。
Please place your baggage in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you.
脱出の妨げとなるため通路や非常口付近には手荷物を置かないでください。
For a smooth evacuation, nothing should block the aisle or exits.
離陸・着陸の際は座席とテーブルを元の位置にお戻しください。
Return your seat and table to the original position during takeoff and landing.
ベルト着用サイン点灯中並びにお座りの間は常にシートベルトをお締めください。
Please keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated.
外す場合は金具の片方を持ち上げてください。
To unfasten, raise the flap.
この便は全席禁煙です。化粧室でのタバコは航空法で禁止されています。
Smoking is prohibited in the cabin, including the lavatory.
携帯電話などの電波を発する状態にある機器はご使用になれません。
Electronic devices that emit radio waves cannot be used on board.
電波を発しない設定に切り替えていただくか、電源を切り替えてください。
Switch to airplane mode or turn them off.
Hawaiian 441 heavy, pushback on Zulu, tail east. Pushback on the Zulu, tail east, Hawaiian 441 heavy.
が必要な状態になると酸素マスクが入っています。
Hawaiian 451 heavy, behind the direct Japan Air, taxi runway 8 right, Delta Alpha, full short of runway 8 left at
Delta Alpha, full short of 8 left, Romeo 141.
Put the elastic band over your head.
Drive back 9 level 2, Charlie, clear back over Kelly.
緊急の場合は乗務員の指示
Narita 911 Blue Charlie, John, taxi parking return.
Emergency,
Triple
raise
parking
the
window
return.
return. China 73 heavy, mother car 182.
機体の前
Japan 783 monitor tower day.
Emergency exits are located in the
Good, runway 49. 1500,
First exit.
Center Bravo, shoreline 45, 1500, March Hill, 77746.
乗務員の指示に従い
Flight 601 requesting with southwind,
手荷物は一切持たず
Airport 45, Message 901 Delta Honolulu, get out of Honolulu, station with freeway departure, maintain 1500, target 124.2.020.
Slide down.
Maybe I'll push up 4.20
体を引き起こしてください
Airborne Delta is over.
Others out to their feet.
立ち上がりすぐに飛行機から離れてください
Away from the
ま
aircraft.
たワンクルチャーってわけですか。
救命室は座席の下または横にあります
Unfasten is under or beside your seat.
袋から逃げ出し
Everyone should go to the ground right for it at sunset. Actually started. Yeah, one of the things that you want to do. Ground Japan 181 heavy request taxi. Center 181 heavy from 88 right taxi. Alpha, we sort of from 88 left along the ground. Japan 181 heavy taxi by runway 8Y taxiway at Yankee Alpha. Monitor the runway 8 left on Romeo Bravo. So the passenger heavy onto the ground. Put that on the windshield.
The safety instructions card.
And those are passenger heavy 4889er. That's the 4889er Delta 579er. Number 1 to Delta, expected transponder and monitor car 1. Yeah, he's on box at that one. Delta 45 monitor. Nice shot, let's hope for that. Delta passenger has 260 divers. Rambo is 39 Honolulu ground taxi parts to the Alpha. Grab low last 851 clearing hotel with gun 823 today. Last 851 Honolulu ground taxi parts to the Alpha Sierra. Alpha Sierra last 851. Level 35 Honolulu ground company down on taxi 9 taxi made at that runway and 441 heavy taxi with Alpha. 441 heavy, give way to the Alaska and right on the Sierra, taxi runway 8 right. Here, your circuit to Zulu Alpha will sort of be runway 8 left and okay, the Sierra or Zulu Alpha are sort of 8 right, it's, or sort of 8 left, it's Romeo Bravo and 441 heavy. 441 heavy, replay at Alpha. Good Alpha, fine, 441 heavy. There's Japan 181 heavy, monitor car 181. Japan 181 heavy, monitor car 181. American 283 heavy, Honolulu car, runway left, clear to land, hold short runway 4 left. 8 left, clear to land, American 283 heavy. Or 66 Tango, runway 4 left, clear to land, traffic landing 8 left, we'll hold short of the intersection, traffic station ATR, 5 miles for the tower. Roger, 4 left, clear to land, 6 Tango. Japan 181 heavy, Honolulu car, cross runway left, traffic 5 miles. Japan 181 heavy, cross runway 8 left. Star Moku 427, visual 4 right. Moku 427, Honolulu car running 4 right for the land, traffic landing 8 left, we'll hold short, traffic supply to left south and for the tower. Once you Delta, connect the flight. Will you change your flight?
Booty 4 down for South Rim.
2 Honolulu car forward at United.
United hold Booty 2.
Coast 145, link with the shoreline for traffic departure tonight. Contact departure. Coast to the shoreline over 5. We check. Wait 020 at 10. now mile final for the parallel. And we're going to get to those separations possible. Center 783 heavy, runway right clear for takeoff. 783 heavy, runway 8 right clear for takeoff. 161 heavy, runway right, line up and wait.
On 1 right, 141 heavy.
441 heavy, Honolulu, cross, runway 8 left.
Clear to cross 8 left, line 441 heavy.
Honolulu Tower to Victor 1, where's up?
Victor 1, Honolulu Tower, hold at the bridge.
Okay, then for the Victor 1.
222 cross at the intersection data above 500, land off ramp, power zone, bridge, 030 at 1.
2 crossing intersection above 500, south ramp.
American 283, connected hotel, contact ground.
Connected hotel on the ground, American 283 heavy.
427, connected Echo, hold short runway 4 left.
Echo shuttle 4 left, 1427.
Down to Victor 5, 400 south ramp. Victor 5, Honolulu Tower, hold it. What a bridge, Victor 5. Or 66 angle. Roll past Echo, then make 180 and hold short of Echo. Roll past Echo, 180, hold short of Echo. 427 cross, runway 4 left at Echo, then get Bravo Golf, hold short runway 81.
Alright, cross 4 left at Echo, Bravo, hold short 11 Golf, 427.
Everything tango after the ACR, cross runway 4 right at Echo, then contact. After the ACR, 4 right, contact ground. 451 heavy, caution wake turbulence, runway right, just for takeoff.
Takeoff 8 right, 141 heavy.
Center 783 heavy, contact departure.
Alright, 783 good day.
Victor 1 cross 8 left to the tower, then land off that power zone, bridge, 010 at 1.
8 left the tower, south ramp for bridge, the Victor 1.
Honolulu Tower, Skyhound 757
Structure for 7 kilo, Honolulu Tower, 15
Copy the engine for about 7 kilo.
Victor 181 heavy, runway right, line up and wait.
Come on, heavy, 180 right, line up on the way.
シートベルトをもう一度お確かめくだ
Tower,
さい。
runway 8 left, full
小
range,
さなお子
line up
様をお
and
連れのお客様はお子様をしっかりお抱きください。一人でお座りのお子様のベルトもお確かめください。Thank you for waiting, ladies and gentlemen. We are ready for takeoff. Please make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please hold your baby on your lap. Please also check your
maintain out above 1,500 traffic, the helicopter heading to right 900.
Looking for the traffic, sinceramente, out of 1,570.
At or above 1,500.
At above 1,570.
Victor 5, what is static concourse traffic success and the downwind is hitting the 1,000 mark?
Continue on the United and got that downwind Cessna in flight number 5.
So 35, runway 8 left, 71 for takeoff. The 35, use the white fuel tank set off there. 451 heavy contact departure.
Adios.
427 traffic in position, cross 8 left, then hold to the valve for time right.
Alright, cross 8 left, contact ground, 427.
747 kilo traffic inside.
720, make it a separation, descend at express, next 10 down.
10 down, 750.
Three structure right for next unit practical for traffic along the shoreline, runway 8 left, rest of takeoff. Okay, 35, caution lake turbulence, Boeing 717 departing time.
Okay, we're looking for Buckler 35.
Just a 720, Bay Street Express is runway 4 left, better line.
Let's go to the next 750.
Crossing when we got the intersection at about 500. That's off that power zone. It's 020 at 10.
Get on the intersection at about 500. Stop number.
familiar, 35 contact departure.
Departure 252.
Japan 181 Heavy, runway right, clear for takeoff.
Japan 181 Heavy, runway right, clear for takeoff.
441 Heavy, runway right, line up and wait.
8 right, line up and wait, Hawaiian 441 Heavy.
1203, stop no faster contact departure.
Departure.
Got a 529 Heavy, Honolulu, hard cross runway left.
Crossing A7, Alpha Bravo, Delta 579.
282 Alpha, Honolulu, hard runway, 4 right, Foxtrot, line up and wait. 4 right, Foxtrot, line up and wait, 82 Alpha.
Honolulu Tower, go to 58243, 4 down for stop ramp.
Central aircraft in Bravo, current Honolulu altimeter 3003. Honda 243 Honolulu, Tower, what is United, Concourse?
Hold United, 243.
Kilo at Echo Crossing and 4 right in contact ground, traffic holding indication.
Echo Crossing at 4 right, contact ground, traffic checker.
1441 Heavy, caution wake turbulence, runway right, clear for takeoff.
8 right, clear for takeoff, Hawaiian 441 Heavy.
Air Japan 181 Heavy, contact departure.
Japan 181 Heavy, contact departure. HF approach, Air Japan 181 Heavy, leaving 1900, climb to 5000, heading 155.
Japan 181 Heavy, HF departure, radar contact time maintain 16,000.
Japan 181 Heavy, climb to 16,000.
203, proceed right, Kiola.
Kilo 203.
United 145 Heavy, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000, United 145 Heavy.
Hawaiian 15 Heavy, descend and maintain 8,000. Hawaiian 146, United 145 Heavy, turn right heading 350.
Heading 350, United 145 Heavy.
And 181 Heavy, turn right heading 260.
Japan 181 Heavy, right 260.
United 145 Heavy, advise Hanwha Airport inside Spirit Falcon 10 miles.
Alright, stand by, we'll get it in just a second. Port side United 145 Heavy.
And 145 Heavy, third visual approach, runway 8 left, starting hold time 118.1.
Okay, cleared a visual to 8 left, I'm sorry, contact error when?
118.1, United 145 Heavy.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Join 441 Heavy, 2,200, climbing 5,000.
441 Heavy, HF departure, ready contact time maintain 16,000.
16,000, line 441 Heavy.
Point 203, contact center 126.5.
26,000.
Japan 181 Heavy, contact center 126.5.
Edge 181 Heavy, contact center 126.5.